Hello YouTube. So I just got this new Sig holster. It's a Sig brand. It's the one that comes in the tack pack if you get the 365. I don't know if it's the exact same model number. This is a 322 that it's in. But it is comes with a variety of clips here and these that are on it. And you can just switch the clips. They pop on and off, so that you can configure it for inside that waistband or outside the waistband. What happens is when you rotate them up, they lock into position, and that's what holds them in place. For instance, let's see if I can put this one on here. Clicks right on, and then rotates into place. There we go. And then when you put it on your holster, with the when you put it on your belt, your belt locks it into position so that they can't rotate. And then the other set is for inside the waistband. So this would be the outside the waistband configuration. It has a tension screw for retention, and it is ambidextrous depending on what direction you put the clips on. So observations, it is a very good quality plastic, I would say. Polymer, whatever you want to call it. The retention is pretty good. I think that they make this holster for a variety of model of guns, so I think this is probably specifically made to fit the 320. So when you first get it, with the 322, there is a little bit of slop in play. It is a little loose. So what I did was I took this, that is good high quality Velcro with a adhesive backing. This is the good stuff. It's not cheap stuff, 3M. And what I did was I cut strips with my knife that perfectly fit this channel on the inside. And then I adhered them on the inside on both sides, and that created a nice tight friction fit finish, or nice tight friction fit to give it excellent retention. And you can hear there is no looseness at all. And it's actually in there pretty good. That's got really good retention now. So it really helped a lot. And that's a cheap, inexpensive fix that you can make. Took me like literally 5 minutes to do it. And that'll take this holster from what I would have considered good to very good. So, this is pretty good. It fits on the belt really nice. It sits at a good, I think it'll fit, it'll go down to a dress belt, and I think it should fit a standard size, wider, thicker gun belt as well. They're pretty good slots on there, but they're not so big that it's flopping all over the place with a dress belt either. So it's a good compromise size, I believe. But it's a good fit, and I will definitely be testing this on my quad, taking quad rides and wearing it around the homestead and concealed carry, and for that matter, open carry over the coming months. And I won't do another follow-up video unless it fails. If you don't see another video on my channel, that means it was good, it never failed, and I'm happy with it. If you see a second follow-up video, it means it took a dump in the bed. So let's hope that we never have to make a second video. But right now, as of now, I got this holster for $27 on eBay, and I will say that for $27, this is a tremendously good value. I'm very, very pleased with it initially, and we'll see where we go from here. But yeah, pretty good holster, and I thank you all for watching this and taking the time out of your day. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Freedom by me, out.